Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalavade, Atmiya Green School, and we are solving the examples on area. It is exercise 8.2 D second example, right? So we are calculating the area of this kitchen garden. So first rectangle's area we have calculated 10 meter square. Now we are started to calculate the area of this second rectangle. See carefully how we have taken the length and breadth. So see, breadth is 3 meter, no problem. Now we have to calculate this total length. Okay, so see carefully. From this point to this point, what is its length? 5 meter. So this is also 5 meter, right now? And this is also 5 meter. Okay, so this one, which one? From this point to this, it is 1 meter plus this 5 meter plus this 1 meter. What is the total length? 7 meter. Clear? Okay, now we will calculate the area. See here, 7 into 3 we get 21 meter square. Okay, now next, area of this third rectangle. So what we will do? This is the length and this is the breadth. So L into B, that means 5 into 2 we get 10 meter square. Okay. Now total area is equal to 10 plus 21 plus 10. 10 plus 21 plus 10 we get 41 meter square. Okay. So it is about the area. Now we will calculate the perimeter. See, perimeter of the kitchen garden is equal to perimeter of first rectangle, perimeter of second rectangle, perimeter of third rectangle. Okay. So perimeter of first rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket 5 plus 2. So is it required to once again tell how length is 5 and breadth is 2? We already explained in the area. Okay, so we'll say here 5 plus 2, 7. So 2 7 the 14. It is in meter. Perimeter is in meter, not meter square. Okay, area only is in meter square. Get it? Fine. The next, perimeter of second rectangle. See, perimeter of second rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So length is 7 plus breadth is 3. So 7 plus 3 we get 10. So 10 to the 20 meter. Now perimeter of third rectangle. 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So 2 multiplied by 5 plus 2 we get 7. 7 to the 14 meter. Okay. Now total perimeter is equal to perimeter of first rectangle, second rectangle and third rectangle. Okay. So 14 plus 20 plus 14. So what we will get here? 28 plus 20 we get 48 meter square. Everyone understand how we calculated area, how we calculated perimeter? Okay. So let's start next question, that is E. Find the area of rectangles with the following measurements. So length and breadth is given, you have to just calculate the areas. So length is 5, breadth is 3. So let's calculate area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So what is the length? 5. 5 into 3, 15 centimeter square, because it is given in centimeter. Get it? And second example I have given you as a homework. So let's see what is that example. Yeah, it is E, no? Yes. Length is 12 and breadth is 5. So you have to write formula. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. In the next line you will write 12 into 5. That is 12 5 the 60 centimeter square. Okay, you have to solve it. Now third example. L is 10 and breadth is 7. So what will the area? Area of rectangle is equal to L into B, that is 10 into 7, we get 70 centimeter square. Okay. Now fourth example. L 20, breadth 5. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B, that is 20 into 5, we get 100 meter square. Okay. Now fifth example. L is 4.4 and breadth is M. B is 4 meters. So area of rectangle is equal to 4.4 multiplied by 4, that is 17.6 meter square. Okay. Now length L is 1.5 and breadth is 50 centimeter. Right. So see here, both the units are not same. So what is our first step? We have to convert the units in same measurements. Okay. So your unit should be same. Always remember length, breadth, always in same unit. So here meter and centimeter is here. So we will convert it into meter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 50 upon 100 is equal to 0.5 meter. Sorry. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is 1.5 multiplied by 0.5. We get 0.75 meter square. Get it? Now we will see the F example. Find the area of square with the following length side. So 8 centimeter. So area of square is equal to side into side. 8 into 8. 8 8 is 64. So it is 64 centimeter square. Okay. So second example you have to take as a homework. So fifth example, 5 meter square. So area of square is equal to length into length, that is side into side. Okay. So 5 5 is 25 meter square. It is in meter. So I have told you it is in area should be in meter square. So next 2.5 centimeter. Now it is in centimeter. So area of square is equal to L into L, or you can write here side into side. Right, always write short form. That's why L into L, that is 2.5 multiplied by 2.5. We get 6.25 centimeter square. Okay. Next 2.4 centimeter. So area of square is equal to L into L, that is 2.4 multiplied by 2.4. It is 5.76 centimeter square. Get it? Next. Sixth example, that is 6.4 meters. So area of square is equal to L into L. 6.4 multiplied by 6.4, we get 28.16 meter square. Okay. Now next. Now we will start the story sum. Exercise 8.3, story sums. One by one we will see the. It is very easy. If you know formula, you have to understand the example, uh, think about the given things, you have know the formula, then you have to calculate. Okay. So let's start. A rectangle is 4 centimeter long and 3.5 centimeter. Okay, a rectangle has 4 centimeter long and 3.5 centimeter broad. What is the area of rectangle? You have to know the formula. Rectangle, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So 4 multiplied by 3.5. It is 14.0 centimeter square. Okay. Now second example. Find the area of square whose side is 2.5 centimeter in length. So what is the area formula for area of square? Length into length, that is side into side, that is 2.5 multiplied by 2.5. Multiply it and write in square centimeter. Okay. So it is your homework. Then we will start third example. Rohit and Kamal are playing in a room. which is 5.5